Welcome back to Rad JBI. I'm JB. Today we're excited to announce our new JBI spec Showa damper rods for the 2025 and newer Honda CRF models. Previously, we released our JBI spec damper rods for all of the older Showa model forks. However, for 2025, Honda had updated the length of their damper rod, and we did not have those ones available yet. There's a few reasons why we went ahead and made our own. The first common one that we see is oftentimes the stock rods, the anodize begins to fade and wear on them, so they need to be replaced. As you can see, these have a black finish to it. That is because it is a Type 3 hard anodized finish, and it's also been polished after that anodizing to give it a very nice and smooth uniform finish. Also, what we did is we extended the length of the threads on the very bottom. This is where the rebound bolt or clicker engages along with the lock nut. The reason we did this is for some people, when you work on the brand new bike, they will find that the rebound clicker is threaded on there very tightly, and then they go to remove it, the actual lock nut strips out the few threads that it is engaged with. So since we increase the number of threads on this rod, that lock nut will be fully engaged with those threads during the disassembly and is going to eliminate that problem from happening ever again. Now we do sell these as a set, so they come as a pair, and also they come with our JBI titanium rebound needles already installed, so it eliminates the extra work on your end of having to remove the original and fragile aluminum rebound needles. When you receive them, they will come packaged very nicely. Each will be individually packaged in a plastic bag. We have plastic mesh coating around each rod to protect it, and then over the tip of the rebound needle, we have a nice rubber plug. So that ensures that you receive these rods in perfect condition and ready to install into your bike.